Welcome the Lackman MP. I haven't met before, but thank you very much for joining us over here. And we would very much welcome your support for the British Kashmiri Manifesto. And now I would like to invite our Honourable Member of Parliament to share his views with us.
Well, thank you very much, Chair. I've just dropped in for 5 minutes, so apologies for being so brief. Obviously, you're spending a lot of time on this, both in this meeting and outside this meeting, and it clearly is the issue of Kashmir and the right of the Kashmiri people for self-determination is a long-standing injustice, which is recognised by the United Nations, and I'm very happy to continue to support getting justice for the people of Kashmir, many of whom live in my constituency, who have relatives